Let us discuss a few questions on weathering the storm in Ersama. As already we have discussed a few questions. Now the question is, why do Prashant and other volunteers resist the plan to set up institutions for orphans and widows? What alternatives do they consider? Prashant and other volunteers resisted the plan as they felt that it would not be proper to set up separate institutions for orphans and widows. They changed their plan. They thought that it wouldn't be right to set separate institutions for orphan children, those who have lost their parents, and widows, those who have lost their families. The group of volunteers was of the opinion that in these institutions children wouldn't be able to get love and widow would suffer from stigma and loneliness. Children won't get love from others, and the ladies, they would also feel loneliness and isolation. So the group decided to rehabilitate them in their own community. Rehabilitate means they decided that if a child has lost the parents has lost the children, there from that community only they will form a new family. New families were made and the childless widows took care of those orphan children. So let us see. Next question is, do you think Prashant is a good leader? Do you think young people can get together to help people during natural calamities? Yes, undoubtedly. Prashant is a good leader. He has all the qualities of a leader. He has a special quality of taking initiatives. He took initiative. He just worked hard and his vision is quite clear. He faces adverse circumstances courageously. He is a source of energy for others and great motivational power he has. I think that youth is power. So this power can be used to assist society during natural disaster. As nowadays pandemic is there, we should feel bold, and we should try to help the family or the society to come out of such type of disasters. Whatever job is assigned to the youth in such circumstances, they perform their duty with full spirit. They should perform their duty in full spirit, as in the story Prashant did. Now, Prashant is a young boy, just 19 years old. He finds himself in a village devastated by the superstorm. This is the character sketch of Prashant, which I am reading here. As you see, Prashant is a young boy, just 19 years old. He finds himself in a village devastated by the superstorm in Orissa in the year 1999. He visits the storm shelter and then he decides to help them out. He became the leader. He played the role of a leader. He started organizing the people for several months. He helps the people to overcome their difficulties and come back to normal life. He becomes a savior of orphans and widows. So we find Prashant to be a born leader who is ready to work hard to help the people to solve their problems. The people of his village, they are grateful for all his efforts. He is a role model for the youth of our country. That's all, students. I hope the chapter is quite clear to you. Okay.